everyone. This is my beautiful garden. I love it. I did everything with my hands, but yeah, but some trees are not happy. I trimmed them too because they were so bushy. Here I love this part. Palm trees, they were just babies. And I can't believe how they grow up that fast. Not fast, 2 years. Yeah, I love here. I used to have raised beds here for vegetables, but the squirrels didn't leave me alone. They ate everything. I left only these two. It's one lemon and one orange, and still they eating it as well. It's not very nice. And this is our sitting area. There is the fireplace. I think we will start to put it because the weather starts to be cooler here in Houston. Yes, I love it. It's nice to sit outside. Yeah, very nice. The weather is beautiful. I think it will be more cooler. Not of course the northeast, but it will be nice. I can't imagine it. And that's it. I will thought chat with you guys a little bit and tell you what I'm doing. Now I'm sitting outside. We'll have a little bit of snacks and then we'll go have dinner. Love you. Bye.